Hi, Forestdale Elementary, Ranger Hannah here, and today we are going to talk about animal body movements. So first off, we're going to go over the animals that move on land, like this running fox. He runs just like we can, but maybe notice something different about the way he runs with his body. We also have walking dogs. I've been seeing a lot of this in my neighborhood. Ooh, and something else, if I pay close enough attention in the trees, I can see some squirrels climbing. A little bit different than the running fox is the slow-moving animals like the crawling tortoise. Oh, and Sammy, do you notice that this is a fun type of body movement? Hopping. Some animals like rabbits and bunnies, they like to hop. And similar to hopping, we have the frogs and what our tadpoles will turn into, American toads that like to jump. So I'm going to go back through the photos and I want you to see, think, and wonder about what characteristics these animals have that help them move. And Silas, I want you to notice the number of appendages they have, or limbs, or arms and legs, just like we do, that these animals have to help them move. Something that I noticed is that they have 4 arms and legs that help them move around on land. Now, if we go under the water, we have body movements like swimming. So I want you to look at these different animals like the fish, the dolphin, and even a sea turtle. What are the shapes of their appendages? Their limbs help them swim. They're shaped a little bit differently. They're called fins. All right. You look closely, they're a little bit different than our arms and legs. And we're going to go on to the air and birds that move around in the air, like flying. So here we have a blue jay flying. And Dominic, another type of flying is soaring. So I want you to think if you can tell the difference between flying and soaring. Soaring tends to last a lot longer with less pumping of their wings, which is their limb and appendage that we can categorize them in that help them fly and soar. Ooh, and Sammy, Silas, and Dominic, this is a super fun one. Slithering. Now I want you to think about what does a snake have to help it move? And that could be a trick question. I don't think of any limbs that I know of on a snake that can help it move. And I know that if I didn't have any arms and legs, I think I might slither too. All right, so next time you see an animal, whether it's the dog or cat that you might have in your backyard or in your house, or the squirrel that you can see through your window, or the bird up in the sky, I want you to see, think, and wonder about what's helping it move.